So you find yourself at the subway with your world in a bag by your side, and all at once, what seemed like a good way, you realize it's the end of the line. For what it's worth, here comes the train upon the track, and there goes the pain. It cuts to